What's up, YouTube? This is the Passive Income Trucker coming back at you today, talking about stocks, crypto, or either passive income from a truck stop near you. But before we get into today's video, let's go ahead and read that disclaimer. This channel and information included are intended to serve as a substitute for financial consultation. Certain issues, concerns, and conditions always require the advice of appropriate legal professionals. Seek financial advice when needed. Now that we're done with that, guys, go ahead and give me that L and S special. You know what I mean? That like and a subscribe. Go ahead and give me a like. Give me a subscribe if you like the content, if you want more. Right now, we're about to be talking about ClickBank. As you can see on my mobile device right here, we're talking about ClickBank. In the ClickBank series, we're taking emails from the MLGS, the My Lead Gen secret site, which is a site that gives you 100 leads every single day. The cost is $60 to start for the first month, and every month after that is $30 per month. If you do the math, you're still getting a very good deal even after the first month. $60 per month, $60 for the first month, and you get pretty much 3,000 leads for the first month, and that's if you don't get one person to sign up under you, which is the requirement to get 200 leads every single day. What you can do if you want multiple accounts like I do, and others who have 5 to 10 accounts, some people may have more, you sign up with your first account, and then you use that account that you just signed up with, and you sign up your other account. Why would you do that? So you can get your 200 leads every single day, and the company already knows that people are already doing it, so they won't be upset. They won't give you any issues. It is absolutely okay with them. They won't violate any terms of service with them. So after that, you'll be able to get your 200 leads every single day. Like me personally, I have 5 accounts, as you've seen on my desktop. So 4 of my accounts are getting 200 leads a day. So 200 leads a day times 30 days, that's 200 for 1 month. It's 6,000. 6,000 times 4, that's 24,000 leads at the end of the month. That may be wrong math. Let me do that one more time just to make sure I got the right math here. So one account, 200 leads a day, so that's 6,000 leads. So 6 times 4, yeah, that's 24,000 leads at the end of 30 days, and that's with 4 accounts. So 24,000 plus the 3,000 at the end of 30 days will be 27,000 leads that I can email in the next 30 days. That's why this particular strategy is powerful. That's why this particular strategy will get you results, is because you're pretty much playing a numbers game. If you send out 27,000 leads in a day, somebody's going to eventually buy. It may not be every day. It may not be every, it'll probably be every other day or every 2 or 3 days to begin. But once you start surmassing and you start compounding those leads, when you get to month 3 and month 4, and you have 100,000 leads that you can send out, pretty much make money online offers to, you're going to be making enough money where you can make profit. Now, how much did I spend to get all 5 of these accounts? Normally, it would be $300, $60 per account for $60 per account for the first 30 days. But since one of my accounts was an old account that I already had that I reactivated, it only cost me $270 because I just had to activate or pay that $30 for that particular month. And as you can see on the screen right here, I did get a sale recently, which was on the 15th, which I did make a sale of $12.11. So someone actually converted out of the leads that I had. And most of those accounts are fairly new accounts. So most of my accounts are maybe 7 days old. So right now, the $270 that I spent, I'm already bringing in a little bit of profit. Even if I don't make any more sales for the rest of the month, I'm still going to end up being in the profit by the end of next month. I would say maybe by the end of this month if things go better, but probably by the end of next month things will get a lot better, and I'll be making pretty decent profits every single month after that, especially paying the $30 per month. Now it's looking like I may not get to 4,000 a month. It may take a couple months. It looks like it'll take you a couple months if you use this strategy, depending on how many accounts you get. If you get 2, it's more likely going to take you longer, since I have 5. And I also have in one of my accounts like 20,000 emails already. So it'll probably take you at least, I would say 3 weeks, maybe longer if you do 2 accounts. The more accounts you get, the faster you get a sale. And what I'm going to be doing with these leads, I'm going to be sending leads from right now ClickBank. In the future, I'm going to be making more of these types of videos, but I'm going to be doing other sites like JVZoo, Digistore 24, I may even do some CPA networks, but they all have to be make money online sites. And I know there's more sites out there besides those that I mentioned. I'm just going to be using my lease for that. And I also have other things that I'm going to be doing as well. I may even open up 3 more accounts, and just to have those accounts just to get the leads, because these leads are going to make you money. I just want to do the math just right quick for you. With the 5 accounts that I have, let's say it takes me 3 months before I break profit. Let's say it takes 3 months before I break profit. Now the first month, I'm going to do it like a newbie who just started. The first month is going to cost me $60. I'm going to say the 5 accounts that I have is going to be $300. So that's $300 for the first month. Every month after that, it's going to be $30 per month. Times 5 is $150, which is half of what I just mentioned. So let's just go ahead and do 3 months, just so I won't kill you guys with the math. It'll make it a little bit easier, make it more easier for you. So let's say we go 3 months before we actually break even. In those 3 months, the first month is $300. The next 2 months are $150. So now there's a total of $600 that you spent in 3 months on ads. I mean, pretty much on the email list. Now, let's go back to the leads. To the emails you're going to be getting. Now, as I mentioned, you'll be getting for the first account, the one that only has 100, you'll be getting 3,000 leads every single month for that first account. For the other 4 accounts, I think I did the math wrong earlier, so I think I might. We'll correct it right here in a sec. For the other 4 accounts, you'll be getting 6,000 leads. 6,000 times 4 is 24,000. 24,000 times. So yeah, the math was right the first time. It was 27,000 leads at the end of 30 days. Now we're gonna multiply this 27,000 times 3. 27,000 times 3. Let me go ahead and pull out my calculator so I can do that right here. So calculator, and just to make this a little bit easier, we're just going to do 27 times 3. So at the end of 3 months, I will have 81,000 leads. I want you to imagine if you had any offer that was make money online, and this is pretty much going to get these leads are going to get. You're going to get more leads added every single day. So I have in 3 months 81,000 leads that I can send, and this I'm more than likely going to have more because I already have 20,000. I'll probably be at 100,000 leads because of my older account that I had that I pretty much started and stopped with, and now that I'm restarting, they pretty much added my older leads back. So I'm going to pretty much, at least at the bare minimum, I'll have 80,000 leads, 81,000 leads to send out to every single day, any offer that I desire that is make money online, because those are the type of leads that you get with this account. Do you see how powerful this is and how strong this will be, how easy this is? Just like the other system with the COTPS system, all you have to do is click a button. This is very similar. All you're doing is you're copying and you're pasting. You already have the emails and you're just using it. And as you just saw, even though it was a very small amount right now, you see that I've earned $12. So the system does work. It's pretty much a numbers game. It's only a matter of time before you actually start to make the money back that you put in. The thing is, do you have the patience to wait? Do you have the finances to get started? Because it may take 30, maybe even 45 days to break even, depending on if you start with 1 account, 2 accounts, 3 accounts. Now I have 5, which is going to make it's going to be 5 times faster for me, and I'm also doubling the time because of the 200 leads per day on the 4 accounts. And I'm not sure. I mean, this is pretty good for me. At the end of the year, I'm going to have I don't know how many leads, and I'm also going to be using these for other offers and other make money online programs and services that are out there. I do plan on getting involved in a couple of the other offers, and if with that many leads, you can just use ClickBank as a stepping stone. You can use ClickBank like we use a fast food restaurant. It's just something you're going to use to start. And once you build up your account, like if I wanted to wait like another 6 months, oh my goodness, how many leads would I have in 6 months? I don't even know if I want to do the math, but I have so many leads that I can send out. I can send an email to any offer that I desire, and it'll make something. And I'm only paying $30 per month. $30 per month. Let's just double the number we just had. I think it was 81,000. In 6 months, I'll probably have 160,000 leads, if not more, to send out to every single day. By the end of the year, I'll probably have enough leads where I can make at least $4,000 every single month, if not more, just sending out an email every single day from a system that only costs you $30 per month. And this strategy is a long-term strategy. You can open up 5 accounts, you can open up 10 accounts, depending on the offer, depending on the email, depending on if you want to make your emails look different than everyone else's. There's a couple factors that are determined that. But if you just want to copy and paste, you can still, let's say at a bare minimum, you bring in $2,000 every single month as a bare minimum. You still work your job, you come home, you copy and paste your emails. Well, before you go to work, you get up in the morning, you copy, you paste. It should take you more than 15, 20 minutes, and you go home, you go to work, you go to work and you come back. And you know every single month you're going to have $2,000 in your account because of the emails that you have. And your account is virtually, just by the sheer numbers, it's going to increase over time. Every day you're getting 200 leads. So month after month, year after year, if you decide to do it for that long, you can eventually take these leads and probably just copy and paste your way all the way to $10,000 a month. Now, it's going to take some time. It'll probably take you a couple years to get to that point before you're able to do that. But think about that for a second. If you had the patience to wait a year and let your emails build up, you can make at least $2,000 to $4,000, if not more, every single month. And that's just me throwing some numbers out there. And this is pretty much after the $30 you're paying every month. Do you think the $30 is going to make a difference after a year or so? The $30 per month. I know it might be, so for some people it might be big. If it is, I'm not sure what else to say, because $30 is not a lot, but $6 to start, it may be a lot, but it really shouldn't be. If it is, you may have to find something else, or just do something to get the $60 and just get started and get enough for the first couple months. Because I'm telling you, this strategy works. I'm going to show it to you, and I'm going to prove it to you over time. Right now, I just have $12 in the account. In the next 90 days, I keep saying different time frame, but it may change again. At least 60 days, I'm going to do this strategy on ClickBank. Then I may change to another one. It's going to depend. But right now, we're doing ClickBank, and right now just $12. $12. We're not profit just yet. It's still negative 270, but as you can see, progress. If you watched all the way to the end, I appreciate you. Thank you. Go ahead again, give me that LNS special. Hit the like, hit the subscribe if you want more content like this. Guys, we're going to be bringing more videos to you just like this, showing you proof that it does work, and I'm going to be showing you proof that you will break profits if you do this long enough. It's just like everything else. You have to learn. You have to give it time, and once you get at it and get better, and with this, pretty much you don't even have to get better. You just need time to get the emails to build up in your account. And once your account gets to a certain threshold, you're going to be making money. You may not start off profitably in the first month or so. It depends. Every account is different because every email is not the same. So you may make a sale in the next day using the same system. Somebody else may make a sale in the next 3 weeks. It all depends. Again, guys, thanks for watching. If you watched all the way to the end, I appreciate it. This is Pastor Income Trucker. I'm out.